Howdy campers, welcome back to another episode of Omnia Camp Cooking. Sorry, I've got stuff in here. You see I packed my heat diffuser and my oven mitts, silicone, and there's a baking thing down in the bottom here, perforated baking something or other, and it all fits nicely together in the handy little bag that came with it. But we're not using the bag today. We're cooking. You went up here, Floofer? Hold on. We've got a Floofer. Attack of the killer floofers. Where were we? Talking about cooking, but wasting your time. Okay, let's get back to it. Today we're going to try a recipe I found on a Facebook Omnia Oven group. I'd love to credit the original suggester, but I can't remember. I just scanned through and thought, oh, I should try that. So let's get to it. So the directions for pretty much everything on the related says preheat this piece, but it's on this piece, so I'm preheating this too. And I got this here rice mix, and the original recipe I saw used real chicken, but since we're going for the camp recipe version, we're gonna try cheap canned chicken. Okay, we've got the rice mix with water and milk and butter, which I don't know if you need or not. Didn't mention it in the recipe, but I threw it in anyway. Now this would only take 7 minutes if I boiled it in a pan, but we're not boiling it in a pan. We're baking, which means you need the Omnia party hat, and we're gonna let it go. They said, oh, what's wrong with you? 20 minutes. There we go. 20 minutes. I'll check after 15 and see how we're coming along. Okay, y'all. Why do you keep doing that? There we go. Sorry. It's been about 20 minutes. And it's coming along. But wait, there's more. We added some spinach. And I'm going to let that wilt down. And we'll see how it comes out. Looky here, looky here. Let's give it a try. Maybe throw on a little of this, maybe. Okay. First, we're going to try it as is. It's hot. Nobody warned me it was hot. Hey, Lulu. You want to be in the show? Want to be in this episode? Come here. Come here, Lulu. Come on. You can do it. Okay, well, Lulu's camera shy. Okay, sorry. Dogs. Silly dogs. It's good. It's a healthy dose of Frank's Red Hot. Give it a little flavor. It's really good. Frank's gives it a nice little dose of extra. Ooh. It's still hot. Whew. Anyway, definitely a winner is 20 minutes in the pot. And then I threw the spinach in, gave it another 5 minutes. You could have cooked it in a pan or a pot, like the directions say, and it would have been and thrown in a can of whatever. But I don't know if you would have gotten the same texture. Kind of like rice when you have paella. Oh, it's a paella now. But yeah, this is a thumbs up. Definitely recommend it for a camping trip. Omnia wins again. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!